Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today I'll be making biryani, chicken biryani. It's today Sunday special for the chicken gravy. Now, first phase is the chicken gravy. For the chicken gravy, we'll be needing 2 onions. We have to fry this golden fry. Ginger garlic paste, one and a half garlic and a quarter ginger, lime, mint leaves, coriander leaves, and dahi. Yes, of course, for the chicken gravy, for the first phase is the chicken gravy. So here we got the onions. I've sliced it very fine. You can see over here. This recipe is for half kilo chicken because I'm alone at home. So I'm going to use 2 onions. These are 2 onions. From root to stem I've cut it straight. Here's our onions. These are getting fried. At least we have to fry it till it gets golden, shallow golden fry. I got my curd over here. So first marination of the chicken for biryani is we need curd and we need to whip it. We need to make it like a cream after whipping it. Now we'll add some teaspoon salt while whipping. Now you can see how creamy it's become. It's become like cream. This is I'm using 140 gram of curd for half kilo chicken. Right now we'll add the chicken. Right now I added the chicken, half kilo. I will be stirring it. Later on I'll be adding ginger garlic paste. I will show you how I make my homemade ginger garlic paste. First I need one whole garlic, whole bundle, the whole root of garlic, one whole bundle. It's like around 10 to 15 cloves of garlic, and quarter piece of ginger, plus few diced, half lime, and teaspoon salt. Yes, that's it. We will grind it right now. Now we got our mint leaves, coriander leaves, pudina, and dhania. Otherwise, this thing is called kotmir and pudina, mint. Right, we are going to chop it, mince it into small fine right now. This is how I mince. Small till it gets fine. I mince, and later on we'll mince 4 chilies also. Now we'll be adding our masala. First we'll be putting our ginger garlic paste. It's around 2 spoons ginger garlic paste. Alright, so ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon garam masala, 1 spoon dry coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. After we adding the garam masala, we'll be adding our minced chilies, finely chopped chilies. After adding chilies, we'll add finely chopped coriander and mint leaves, and then we'll add our golden fried onions. Our main ingredient is grind tomato. We will be putting tomato paste right now. Now we will be adding our tomato paste. This is the main ingredients which brings the taste. Only 1 tomato. I'll be making paste of 1 tomato. We do not add water while we make the tomato paste, and we have to give a good mix right now. Let's mix it very well. Let the ingredients all mix well together. As you mix it, you will get the smell of the biryani gravy instantly. Right now we will let it settle down, let it get marinated for around 30 minutes. We will do the second phase. Second phase is the biryani rice. We need normal basmati rice. So we'll take basmati rice, one glass, around 1 glass. Some extra, no problem. I got a big stomach, so I'll eat it all. So we got 1 glass in a copper glass. Copper glass, very healthy. Always put your basmati rice in a copper glass. Just joking, not so serious. I think so. I'm going to wash this and keep for soaking, and I'll show you later on what I'm going to do with it. Alright, for the rice, for the second fish is rice. We say, I call it tarka. This is all my style. The whole biryani is my way, how I make this, and I do not add ajinomoto or those Maggi cube or any kind of. This is the way how I make, and you get the natural taste in it without any adding any taste makers. So right, you will go with cinnamon and cloves, star anise, bay leaf, and yes, 2 cardamoms. You have to just smash it, and we have to the side here. We have to on slow fire. We have to roast it on. We have to add 2 spoons of oil right now. You see over here, I'm roasting them on slow fire. All the masalas, slow fire. Please do not increase the heat. Even the bay leaf has to be roasted. Now I'll be adding my basmati rice and cook it and then strain it. Right now we'll be adding 1 spoon salt. I'm adding little bit extra salt because we are going to drain the water, so the salt will be not so much after draining, so I will be adding extra salt right over here. We'll continue with our chicken. The first phase, add 2 spoons of oil, and we'll on this. Now we'll add our chicken. Nice. We'll just give it a slow stir nicely, and cook it well for around half an hour. Right now, slowly our gravy will get ready. This will take around half an hour. Give it a nice stir and cook it well. As you cook, you get the smell. It's really tempting. I want you guys also to try it at home whenever you have free time, not specially remote time for this. It's a nice fun time for the family to have biryani. So, to get the color for the rice, I would like to get yellow color. Just like to make my rice colorful. Here's a teaspoon of turmeric. I'll just mix water in it and then put it on the rice. Right now I'm keeping it for draining, so I added this turmeric water, just half side, just the half side. You let it roll. On the half side it will get the color. That's it. Just get a nice color of yellow and white. We will see our gravy. Wow, the gravy is really done. Not done yet, but we have to drain the gravy, make it dry. As you can see, the chicken is cooked on slow fire, but our rice is ready. So I'm going to do layering. So for the layering, we need to have some golden fried onions. So for that layer, I need 3 onions, which I have cut into 2. Now I'll dice them and golden fry them. The gravy is dried. The water is just drained down. First I had steamed and cooked, then later on I kept the lid, this lid I had kept it open, and then I cooked it. So I drained the gravy. It has to be dry like this. This process takes around 25 to 30 minutes, right, just for the gravy. The rice takes really easy. Just add salt according to your taste. Keep tasting the gravy, how much salt you need. Now you can see how after drying the yellow color has attached to the rice, basmati rice. Looks really beautiful, the color mix. I really like this, and the biryani is getting ready. Now I'll show you how I do layerings. Right now I'll show you how I do layering. First I add the rice stew which I have drained right now, so it should not burn. Around just few spoons. If you want to add more, then you can add more stew of the rice. Right over here, this much. That's enough. Yes, that is alright. That's enough to add more. Right on this, I'll be adding rice, and then I'll be on the rice. I'll be adding golden fried onions, some coriander mint, and then the gravy. Then above that, I'll be adding rice. Right here, this is the first layer. Right now I put the rice. The gas is really slow. Do not hurry up the gas. Now I'll put the golden fried onions and coriander and leaves. Right now I added the golden fried onions. Nicely spread it all over, all the place nicely, and then coriander and mint leaves I'll spread around. Right now I'll be adding coriander and mint leaves. Later on I'll be adding the gravy, the chicken gravy. Alright, chicken gravy in it. Nicely spread the chicken slowly spread it all around. We got the chicken spread around all the way. Now we'll add the rice right here. We'll add it on top. This is the last layering. Right now I covered it. After the last layering, I covered the chicken. Now it's on slow fire. As you can see, get prepared and close it around 1 minute or 2 minutes. You can let it steam and off the gas right after 1 to 2 minutes. Alright, right now we will make is raita. Really, there's no good biryani without raita, so raita is important. So how I make raita is here: half teaspoon sugar for the raita. I got my curd in there, and yeah, that is salt, quarter teaspoon salt, and I got my onion. First I'll stir it well nicely. Now I'll squeeze a little bit of lime, just few drops, yes. And for my raita I'll be using onion and cucumber as a simple dish, and I'll be using some mint. So right now I'll just add few chopped mint leaves. I'll show you how I cut my cucumbers in such a way that I just keep on scraping it fine scrapes till I reach the seed. Fine scrapes. This is for the raita. I'll be chopping it separate from this now after peeling. You see how fine I get. Right now here our cucumber is ready, peeled and chopped. So here, this is for the raita. Nicely give it a mix. And the cat crying in the background video is right over here. She was taking bath over here. This is our pillow cat. She was really dirty. We cleaned her. Isn't she so cute? Now the raita is ready. As you can see, mint leaves and some traces of coriander leaves, some squeeze few drops of lime, and you can please do try the raita recipe also. Now I will be serving. Okay, nice biryani. Right here, it's the biryani. This is how I serve, with a spoon of raita. Do try the recipe. Really, if you like the recipe, please leave a comment, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe.